And salam alaikum vitayu you friends. I decided to record a short video about the events that are happening. Probably the Russians are trying to gather new forces to storm Kiev again. And in this regard, I would like to tell the Ukrainians, I understand you are tired, the war has been going on for a year, you are suffering losses, there is a war on your territory. It's very scary, it's very painful. But I want to tell you one thing. Ukrainians, if you give up, if you get tired, then your war will not end there. The Russians will carve you out for years, as they are cutting us out now. They are trying to completely remake us, although they are not good at it, but they have some success. And Akhmet Kadyrov, when he switched to the side of the Russians, he said that it was enough for the Chechens to fight, the Chechens were tired of the war. It was true, but for so many years there were the first 2 years of the war, then 3 years of the interwar period, that there was also a war, and then another 10 or 15 years of the next war. It was very difficult. And the Chechens are very tired. And he said, we Chechens should create, we are peaceful people, we should not fight, and so on, and so on. And one could believe that they are destroying some Wahhabists, Islamists, mercenaries from all over the world there, and the Chechen people want to live, create and do not want to fight. And the Russians are bringing us peace, not war. And they want to live with us there and not kill there, and so on, and so on. Today we see that it turned out to be a lie. In Chechnya, everyone is taken to the war against Ukraine, forcibly mobilized. Those who refuse are shot, imprisoned, beaten, tortured. Even before the start of this large-scale war, Deputy Fedorov, the Russian Deputy Fedorov, said that 20% of Ukrainians should be killed, that is, well, about 8 million should be killed so that Ukrainians become another nation. And most likely it will be those people who are passionaries in their society. Therefore, Ukrainians, close ranks hold on, we know it's difficult, we are all with you, our Chechens are fighting with you, the whole world is helping you, we didn't have that kind of support. And tomorrow, when you win, you will become 100 times stronger. Glory to Ukraine, everything will be Ичкерия.